In this video, we'll show you how to change the crankshaft position sensor on your Nissan Altima. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Nissan Altima safely. To access the crankshaft position sensor, you need to remove the wheel on the passenger side. You can now access the sensor next to the CV axle socket. Disconnect the connector by pressing on the plastic tab and pulling it. Using a small ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the crankshaft position sensor retaining bolt. Be careful to check that the sensor seal has been removed with the sensor and has not remained in the sensor insertion hole. You can order the crankshaft position sensor used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new sensor. Apply assembly grease to the sensor seal to facilitate installation. Insert the new crankshaft position sensor into its slot. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. You can then screw the bolt back in using a ratchet. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Then reconnect the sensor. Put the wheel back in place. Put your vehicle back on the ground before properly fixing the wheel in place. Operation complete.